A huge contributing factor for whether or not people can actually find your product on the Amazon FBA platform is if your product is actually indexed or is indexing for certain keywords that are ultra relevant and ultra important to your specific product. In this video, I'm going to go over exactly how to find whether or not your product is indexed for those keywords that you really want to be indexed for and what exactly indexing means. Let's go. What is up, Prestige fam, and welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube channel. If you guys are new to this channel, welcome to the Prestige family. If you guys don't know me, my name is Andy. I put out Amazon FBA content twice a week just for the people on YouTube and anywhere on social media that is interested in Amazon FBA. With that being said, if you haven't checked me out already on Instagram, please be sure to do so, and you can find me at the official Andy Lamb. I put out Amazon FBA content every single day on my Instagram, so be sure to go check that out as well. And if you guys haven't already gotten the 2019 Prestige Amazon FBA cheat sheet, please be sure to go do so down below. And if you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching call with myself, or if you guys just want to talk to me, get to know me a little bit, I don't know, be sure to stay to the end of this video to find out exactly how you can do that. But in this video, I just wanted to make a really quick video on how we can figure out whether or not you're indexed for certain keywords. And why is this important? This is so important because say you're selling a garlic press and you really want to be able to be found when people are typing in garlic press and looking for potentially your product. You want to have your listing there, and you want to be, up in front so people actually see your product when they are looking for certain keywords. So you want to be indexed, you want to be ranked for these certain keywords. With that being said, it's extremely important to have that representation for certain keywords and certain phrases that are ultra relevant to your specific product, because that will definitely help you increase your sales. That'll help people actually find your products. And if you are specifically relevant to certain keywords, you want to have your listing visible there, because people will actually want your product. And if you're not indexed for these certain keywords, nobody will ever find your product and you will never make a sale, especially for these keywords that you're not indexed for. So I'm gonna hop on my computer, show you guys live how I use this simple trick to find out whether or not my product is indexed for certain keywords and certain phrases. But let's go, without further ado, let's do it. All right, guys, so I'm here on my computer, and I had to pull up the classic garlic press example, but I'm just going to use garlic press as an example, and we're just going to pull at one of these ASINs. And the benefits of doing this live is that you can really do this for any ASIN that you're interested in, do this for any ASIN that you are personally selling, and maybe you want to do this on a competitor, so this is definitely something that you can do. But what I'm going to do is show you guys using the example of garlic press. So this is obviously one of the main sellers, if not the main seller. So I'm just gonna go to a smaller seller to use an example. Let's just grab this guy. 796, 15 reviews. Any example will honestly do. So basically what you're gonna wanna do is copy and paste the ASIN. This is the ASIN. You can also find this by clicking the actual product and scrolling down a little bit, and you'll find the ASIN right here as well. Usually starts with the letter B. But you just copy and paste that. Copy and paste that into the search bar, and what you're going to want to do is say you want to check if you are indexed for the word garlic. So what you would do is punch in your ASIN, copy and paste the ASIN in the search bar, put a space in between the keyword or phrase that you're looking to be indexed for, or you're checking whether or not you're indexed for, and you just search, and boom, you're right there. Occasionally there may be other ASINs that may show up, which may mean that he's ranked for your ASIN, which is kind of odd, but yes, see, you would see the listing that we were targeting here. right here. So that would mean that you are indexed for the term garlic. So let's say you want to check if you're indexed for garlic press, and boom, you're right here, right? Along with these other guys among the sea of garlic presses. But let's try something, you know, let's type in Batman. Let's see if this guy's indexed for Batman. I wouldn't think so. His listing does show up because we did punch in his ASIN along with a Batman ad, but you'll see it'll say no results for that ASIN and the term Batman. So that's just one way to check for whether or not you are indexed for certain keywords. Obviously, this guy is ranked for garlic and garlic press, but he's not ranked for Batman. Which makes sense for his listing because I don't think that his listing is actually, you know, meant for Batman. I don't know, maybe it is. But let's actually use Batman as an example. We'll just type in Batman. Bunch of Batman movies. So we'll just take the first listing. Dark Knight, ASIN. Boom. So again, you just go ahead, copy and paste whatever listing, your personal listing, or you know, a listing you're trying to compare. So we can punch in that ASIN, type in Batman to see if the listing is actually indexed for Batman, and boom, there you go. You can see this is Batman Dark Knight. So we can actually try Dark Knight. Search that. Boom, indexed. Let's say, you know, let's look up this and My Little Pony. Let's see if Batman Dark Knight is ranked for My Little Pony. I actually haven't done this yet. It would be, okay, so it's a good thing that Batman Dark Knight is not ranked for My Little Pony. But that's it, guys. It's super simple. Hopefully that was clear and concise for you guys. It's a good way to check for whether or not your product is ranked for ultra relevant terms that you need to be ranked for. Then you can go ahead and make those adjustments and get ranked for those actual keywords, make more sales, have your item actually populated for these specific search terms that you want to be ranked for. And yeah, hopefully that helps you guys out a lot. If you guys found that useful, be sure to drop a like. If you have any questions, as always, please be sure to drop a comment down below. And if you were interested in that 30-minute free coaching call, all you need to do is like, subscribe to this channel, comment down below, hashtag Prestige Amazon FBA, and I will be selecting one winner per video. So again, thank you guys for tuning in. As always, I always appreciate you guys, and I really hope these videos help you guys out because that's the main reason why I'm putting out these videos. There's so many of you guys getting into the Amazon FBA space, and I'm just hoping to be able to provide some value for you guys. So until next time, I'll catch you guys at the next video. Peace.